So we have another question on the board, that is two whole numbers have their HCF and SCM respectively equal 40 and 800. One of the number is 200, find the other number. So the question came out last year at state level, that is primary category, Oyo State, Oyo State chapter. So primary category at state level. So this one came out at state level last year. So that took place at School of Survey Oyo along Ogbomoso Road. Now, so to solve this question, we are going to solve from known to unknown. So we are solving from known to unknown. So as a learner, you know how to calculate the HCF and also the SCF. So that's the highest common factor, lowest common multiple. And we are given two sets of numbers, and we are given one of the numbers to be 200. So that is one number is 200. We have 200. So let's denote the other number by using a letter. Let's use letter Y to denote the other number. And according to what we are given, so from the question, so we want to find the factors of this one. So that's why I wrote 200 equals, then Y equals, this will be the other number. Or let's do it this way. So let's do it this way. So we have the numbers. The numbers are 200 and Y. So that is, one of the numbers is 200, then the other number, this is the other number. So now in this case, so what we are going to do is, since we are given the HCF and the SCM to be this, so that is HCF of 200 and Y equals to 40. That's what we are given. That is 40 can go in 200, 40 can go in Y. What we are going to do now is that, so we are going to take this Y and say 40 goes in Y how many times? We denote by another letter. So that is, let's say that, so Y divided by 40. So because according to the question, 40 can go in Y. So the highest common factor that can go in this is 40 and also in 200. 40 goes in Y, let's say, is any times. So it goes in Y any time. This implies Y equals to 40n. That is the implication there. Y equals to 40n. That is the implication. Now the numbers now are 240n. So that's the number we are dealing with now. Now, using the knowledge of solving the SCM, using the long division method, we are using table here. So we have the one number is 200, the other number is 40n. Now let's continue dividing until we have 1. So we are dividing by 2. 2 goes here, 100, 2 goes here, 20n. 2 goes in 100, we have 50, 2 goes here, we have 10n. 2 goes in 50, we have 25, 2 goes here, we have 5. Now this is the knowledge. Like I said, we are solving from known to unknown. So we know how to calculate the SCM. So now there are many ways of solving this question, but because of the category, primary category, that is why I brought it down to their level so that they can understand. So because if we use higher methods solving this, some students in primary school may find it difficult to understand because they are used to this. That's why we are using this method. Now 5 can go. 5 here, 5 here we have n. 5 in 5 we have 1. Then here we are using n. Now we now say that n goes here 1 time because n cannot go. We are write 1 there. N goes here, we have 1. So therefore we are going to solve since we have 1. So that implies when we multiply this number together is equal to 800. Now we now say that 2 times 2 times 2. Since after doing this to get the LCM, now we multiply the result here together. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times n equals to the LCM, because what we did here is their LCM. So now equals to 800. That implies, so 2 by 2, 4, 5 by 5, 25, 25 by 4, that is 100 times 2, that is 200. We have 200 here, and equals to 800. divide both sides by 200, this by 200. So we have this goes here, we have n times, this goes here, we have 4 times. So therefore, y equals to, since y equals to 40n and n equals to 4, we have 40 by 4. So that will be 60. Therefore, the other number, so the other number that we have to calculate, the other number is 160. Thank you. Please like, comment, and share. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment section and your question will be addressed. Thank you.